Guys, today we're going to be adding our wireless Apple CarPlay interface to this 2008 Nissan GT-R. First thing you need to check is if you have touchscreen. Okay, the car needs to have touchscreen for this to work. If you don't have touchscreen, forget it, it's not gonna work. Once you've confirmed the touchscreen, you can start pulling apart all of the interior. This car's been pulled apart a few times, I can already tell, because it's missing screws 1 and 2, it's missing, oh no it's not. It's actually got an aftermarket switch here. So I'm not too sure what that runs to, but what we're gonna do is probably not unplug it just in case, and we'll just set that to the side here, maybe put some microfiber towels around it to keep it safe. We have now removed the screen and the center section, and I just wanted to give you guys the hot tip. When you're removing this here, the gear selector, if you've seen any of our other Nissan videos, this little piece here slides right down. Then there's a little tiny pin on the selector itself, which you pull back and the whole thing comes up. But there is a screw, which you can see on this side. You don't need to release this one, but I had to release this one in order to get these clips up. Okay, there's 4 clips on the sides. And you need a specialty tool, okay? That's a right angle to get in there and unscrew it. Okay, so just so you know. Otherwise, yeah, good luck trying to get that screw out. And then what we're gonna do is we'll remove this, and then we can remove the radio, and we can start plugging things in. Okay, we've got more of the center section apart, and now we've finally made it to the radio. We're gonna pull that out, and then we can start doing our plug and play connections, mapping out where we're gonna run our wiring, mount the module, all that good stuff. Okay guys, this section is a little bit tricky, and I'll tell you why. You can pull the radio, when you unscrew it, you can pull it out to about here. You need to move the gear selector back, but you can't really get it much further than here. So what you need to do is sort of work with it out and fish your hands around. There's 3 plugs that you need to get. There's one on the top right of the radio, one at the bottom left, and one right in the middle. So that's going to be power. Don't know what the other one is, video I guess maybe, and auxiliary input is the other one. So I've done that, and we've run the cable up to here. Okay, now I've just neatened that plug up so we can run it to where we're going to mount the module. I'm thinking the module's going to go here above the aircon unit, but we'll see how we go. And yeah, we can pretty much plug that in. Now you can sit that in its house, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can screw it in. Okay, the next part is the screen cable. So what we've done is plug the original screen cable into our new connector, and then our new connector has a new screen cable, and then we've run this down to the module area, and then what we'll do is take this up, and the new plug will go into the original screen. All right, so what we've done our powers, screen connection. I run the GPS antenna and the Wi-Fi antenna. They both need to be run, so make sure you do that. And what we're going to try and do is get the module mounted right here, double-sided down, and I'm just going to go and test fit, make sure that the OEM panel fits here, doesn't hit anything, and if so, then we can go ahead and mount the module there. Guys, we've got everything plugged in, the system is in and working. You can see here we've got Apple CarPlay loading up. GT-R will bring us back to the home screen of our new interface. Just doing basic testing, everything seems to be working. Sound is working, it sounds absolutely great with the Bose audio system. Really happy with it so far, so what we're going to do is pretty much get this car back together and it's good to go. Guys, that is the CarPlay system installed. You can see here it's paired to my phone. We've got wireless CarPlay on. Sound is all working as well, so we've got some 50 Cent playing. Okay, all good. Press home, that's home of CarPlay. GTR brings you into the interface home. This has a lot of features, guys. It runs an Android operating system. You can go ahead and download YouTube and Netflix. Go to apps here. You can watch, there you go, YouTube's already downloaded, so you can connect to internet via hotspot, watch movies on this thing, has 3 USB inputs, wireless CarPlay, all that good stuff. If you have any questions about the unit itself, drop them in the comments below. If you want to reach out to us or buy the unit, it's at www.shoptfb.com. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next one. Ready?
You're on.
Guys,
wait for that, wait for that.
Yeah.
Go.
Guys, today we bum 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 bum
Good.
bum 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 bum.
Nice.
Bum 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 bum. We'll come to your mum's house. We'll do damage.